cyber sisters and misters. You want to watch me go from basic to Soleil on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me. Alright guys, so I have a lot of builds up in my hair from when I did a twist out 4 days ago. So I don't believe I'm gonna rinse it out right now. I'm gonna do a cold wash. I just really don't have time. Let me get this out of my hair so I can get started with what I'm doing today, which is a crochet set. I didn't bring my scissors in here. Gosh, I swear when you sit down to record, you realize you've forgotten so many things. But I really need to cut these off because I don't want to snap my hair. Let's see if any hair is on this band. Got this one. No. See, I told you that I can be so indecisive when it comes to my hair. Within 5 minutes, I went from not wanting to rinse my hair to fully shampooing it. My scalp needed that medicated shampoo though. Then I followed up with the LCO method. My hair was liking the results of the LOCS, but now my summer hair is loving the results of the LCOS, plus my steam. So first I use liquid, then a heavy cream. Next I use a mix of oils and then a sealant. Most times I add steam in there, but I'm skipping that today, although my hair and face could really use it. I'm having a psoriasis episode right now. Can you see it? I get these red scaly patches around my hairline and my nose. I do have topical meds to treat it, but we still haven't been able to pinpoint what's triggering it. My oil mix consists of almond, avocado, and coconut oil. But if you'd like more information on the LOC or LCO method, I previously posted a full tutorial on this channel. I'll link it in the cards above. So far, layering hydration has improved moisture retention in my hair tenfold. Seriously, the before and after are like night and day. I selected hair that truly complements my 4C texture. The wave pattern of this 9-inch Kinky rod curl by Lulutress mimics my natural hair to a T. It's pre-looped and I purchased it at my local beauty supply store for $6.99 per bag. I bought 2 bags in the color number 4. Crochet hook, wide tooth comb, clips, and rubber bands are all you'll need, but I'll list everything in the description bar. For the foundation, I left out hair along my hairline and down the middle. Leave out is optional. Straight partings are a non-factor for this simple, no-fuss style. I did several small ponytails, but one low ponytail will get the job done too. This way it's just easier for me to hydrate my scalp. Because girl, you know we gotta keep it saucy all Virgo season long. Here's a close-up of the hair. This texture is everything. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Check out this sassy end curl. Poppin'. It's poppin'. Let's do this. I'll begin the install in the top of my head. The technique is simple. I don't separate. I use each piece at its full density. Place the tresses about a finger space apart, unless you like it fuller. But each piece of this hair is thick and fluffy, so I wouldn't overdo it. I wouldn't suggest you pack it in closely anywhere except the crown. But if you need a little more insight on braidless crochet, I'll link my previous video in the DB and in the info cards. You definitely get a bang for your buck with this brand. Each bag contains 3 bundles, and each bundle has 17 pieces. Alright, so here we are. This is one full package
of the Kinky rod curl.
I've installed the top and the nape section.
I'm just going to take this ponytail down and see how it's really filling out. Oh my gosh, it's so light.
One thing that I could have done
was to do a little pre-moisturizing on this hair, just a little bit, because it's not the softest, but it'll pass. I'm pretty sure that if I spray some water on it, it should start to absorb some moisture pretty quickly. And I'm losing my voice.
Caring for this style is simple. The first step is protecting my natural hair. So I like to lubricate the crochet hook before using the metal tool on my hair. This helps to release the latch hook. It allows the metal tool to glide over my hair without snagging it. And although I moisturize my hair thoroughly beforehand, this quick step further protects my natural hair. Before bed, I smooth and tie down my edges. Then just pop on a silk bonnet. Done. It's that simple. Now throughout the week, I massage my oil mix into my scalp every few days. But if you're dandruff prone or your scalp secretes too much sebum, to get ahead of the buildup game, use Q-tips that's been soaked in mild shampoo to lightly cleanse your scalp. I can't say enough about protective crochet styles. They're versatile, a breeze to install, and easy to remove. The hair is reusable depending on the texture, how it was cared for, and how it's removed. Save those coins, sis. Can we just stop? Just pause for a second to appreciate this color match and this texture blend. That's bae right there. That's bae. I'm twisting my natural hair with the crochet hair to get a better blend. But it's not really necessary, as you can see, because ooh la la, thankfully it's blended. If it doesn't blend with your hair, twist your leave out with a styling aid and allow it to dry completely before unraveling. I'm pretty much done installing, and this style took me about 2 hours to complete from beginning to end, including the LOCS method. But before I rush off, I'm inviting you back for another visit. Smash the subscribe button first, then click the notification bell next to all to become a Sunkissed sister. It's free. If you find inspiration here and you create this style, tag I'm it on Insta, that is. So follow me at Sunkissed_Nick. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share the love with a friend while I finish getting into this full night out on the town. What to wear? What am I in the mood for? So many decisions.
Here's the finished look, and I really like this hair. It is super duper cute, super cute. It's fluffy. I've gotten it moisturized. It feels good. It's light and airy. Oh, I am loving this. Your girl looks cute tonight. Well, I have to finish doing my makeup in the truck because I just threw on a little lipstick. I'm rushing. But to my defense, I did get off work today. I patrolled until late afternoon, so that's my excuse. So going on a date with my hubby again. Tonight we're going to a surprise birthday party for my dear friend. Happy birthday, Camille, you fellow Virgo, you. After the party, I am going on a double date with another friend of mine. So tonight should be a fun night, and my husband's downstairs right now. I see him. He is waiting on me, so I have to go. I hope you enjoy the rest of your 24 while I do a little of this and a little of that. Actually, tonight is a full night, so I'll do a lot of this and a whole lot of that. But I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching the Sunkissednic channel, and thank you for becoming a subscriber. Sis, we've got this hair information. This gorgeous style, along with others on my channel, are like the DJ Khaled of styles. And another one. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed.